Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Skillsta app. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that helps you with your social skills. So for example, you're not very good with social communication, this app can help you on the go. So for example, it can boost your skills in communication, leadership, conflict resolution, productivity, creativity, and networking. So if you're wondering, this is actually good and on paper and technically. However, if you're wondering if it's really good in real life, let's head on over here to the reviews on Trustpilot and see that I rated 1.9 out of 5 stars for 99 reviews, which is pretty bad. And let's see some reviews here. So this person said that it's a possible scam. So never received a confirmation email that I had unsubscribed. So they continuously charged him or her of the fees. So incorrectly charged also, scam app. These people are maybe paid by the app to give positive reviews. This is such a scam. Paid for a month's subscription month, canceled before 1 month passed. Blah blah blah. Charged $65 on my card when I had confirmation of cancellation. Cancelled my subscription. Charged twice. Today, $54. So please refrain from using this app since it can. Although the app itself is not a scam. However, they do charge you twice, so it is a legit app. The app really works. However, it is a scam in a sense that it charges you twice for the subscription. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.